From the past couple of days, I have been trying to make a list of cool apps for Android. Happy to announce that I have finally done that, and with that being said, let's get started. So the first app is called Findit, and it helps you search within your physical documents using your phone's camera. It uses the OCR technology and it's pretty easy to use. Just type in your query term, the camera will pop up, just scan it through your document and it will notify when the text has been found. The second app is called Fingerprint Gestures, and it makes your fingerprint sensor smart. You can assign actions for different type of swipes, and let's talk about the fun part. You can also take a hidden photo with it. The third app is called Edge Mask, and it's one of my favorite app. It brings out the two best features of Samsung phones into non-Samsung one. First, it gives you those sexy rounded curves. Second, it gives you that fancy notification light. The fourth app on the list is also very interesting. It's called MuViz, and it adds that fancy music equalizer on your navigation bar. The fifth app is for wallpapers. So actually I'm using two apps for live wallpaper these days. The first one is called Aerial Live Wallpaper. So every time I unlock my phone, I get to see a new cool drone shot. And the second one is called Particle Constellation's Live Wallpaper. So there are two great things about this app. The first one is it's totally customizable, so you can control from the density to the speed factor to line length. And the second is it does not drain the battery. The sixth app is called Musical YouTube, and it's a completely ad-free and lightweight app that helps you watch YouTube in PIP mode. And yes, you don't need Android Audio for this. The seventh and the last app is called See You, and it lets you secretly record a video in the background, and it's pretty cool if you want to do a sting operation or something. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you liked the list of apps that I shared with you. If you like it, drop a like, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.